Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. 7 ways to make money using chatbots. So make sure to watch the full video. Chatbots are presumably familiar to you. You must have even interacted with a couple of them on a regular basis. However, did you know there are methods to profit from bots even if you are not a developer? Chatbots can be used for a variety of purposes, despite the fact that 59% of business owners employ them to offer quicker and more seamless customer service. Chatbots, what are they? While making that online shoe purchase, you might have had a conversation with a robot. Or perhaps you routinely use Google Assistant, Alexa, or Siri? They're all cloud-based natural language bots, which is a fun tidbit about the trio. These powerful bots are made possible by cloud computing, which gives them access to a wealth of data that is kept there. Depending on their requirements for conversational AI, organizations use chatbots in a variety of ways. Artificial intelligence. There are numerous methods you can start your own chatbot business using the greatest money-making bots because there is such a high demand for chatbots and such a dearth of knowledge and experience on the market. Learn how to launch a chatbot company and earn money with bots by reading on. Warning: if you purchase something after clicking on one of the links in this post, I may receive a commission at no additional cost to you. For the sake of my readers and the credibility of this blog, please know that I only recommend products that I use and rely on. 9 ways to make money with chatbots. How to launch a chatbot business. Businesses embrace chatbots as a tool for their job for a variety of reasons, including both B2B and B2C reasons. Chatbots are so popular right now because businesses are aware that customers have a more enjoyable experience interacting with their website or service utilizing a chatbot. Here are 9 methods to use chatbots for financial gain. If you're not a chatbot developer, you can still use the majority of these methods. Let's begin now. 7 Bots as a Service, BaaS, will change the game. Businesses want to provide their customers with a conversational user experience. And it's not shocking. According to Market Research Future, the chatbot market will reach $6 billion in revenue by 2023, growing at a CAGR of 37% between 2016 and that year. Understand the possibilities of conversational AI? Chatbots are among the best tools for providing clients with a conversational user experience. Mind you, these bots don't have to be created from scratch. Facebook Messenger can even be integrated into these bots for customer support. With the development of AI software, bots have advanced significantly. Because of this, B2B businesses are increasingly utilizing them. There are countless things a chatbot can be programmed to do, from collecting information from users to sending potential customers down your marketing funnel depending on where they are in their customer journey. Just think of the possibilities. Easily train new employees and onboard them using chatbots, interact with customers and get their feedback on a new SaaS product, interact with users and gather information from them using chatbots, etc. The number of companies that provide bots as a service has increased as a result. If you want to launch a BaaS company, you'll need to assist clients in determining what their chatbots should be able to accomplish, create one for them, and then execute it using tools like ManyChat or Tideo. 6 Bots for native advertising. Companies often use native advertising as part of their marketing plans. Native advertisements are those that are seamlessly incorporated into other content, such as a blog post, landing page, or in this example, a chatbot. Instead of displaying banner advertisements on a landing page, bot creators insert links to sponsored content or product pages. This is a fantastic approach to increase your chatbot income and earn more online. The process is as follows. Think about how you would want to make your ski trip special. A chatbot might assist you by making recommendations for destinations you might want to visit as well as providing links to equipment you can purchase to make the most of your ski trip. As a service, you might provide for your clients native advertising chatbot creation. According to chatbot provider iLevel, relevant advertising is essential for it to be effective, and chatbots are the ideal tool for achieving this. With over 1,700 chat apps and 45 advertisers signed up, iLevel claims a sizable chatbot publisher network. By integrating a chatbot on your landing pages, you can even use pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, like Google Ads. 5. Make use of a chatbot for affiliate marketing. You can also grasp how chatbots can be employed by affiliate marketers if you are familiar with AI and machine learning. Companies make affiliate programs available to customers. The company provides new affiliate marketers with unique affiliate links when they sign up for an affiliate program, allowing them to post those links on their blog, website, or social media accounts. After that, they can start selling the business's goods or services. You get paid a commission when someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes an online purchase. To learn more about affiliate marketing and how it operates, read this article. It's important to keep in mind that you must inform your audience that you may receive compensation if they click on your links and make a purchase at no additional cost to them. Using your affiliate links may even result in them receiving a discount. Your chatbot's conversation or dialogue can contain your affiliate links. In this manner, your chatbot will present your customer with resources and links based on their responses, and you will profit if they choose to make a purchase using one of your affiliate links. It's simple to get started with affiliate marketing by creating an account with well-paying affiliate networks like Amazon Associates. Once you have their affiliate links, you can start promoting their products right away. 4. Chatbots for research or survey taking. For some users, surveys can be tedious. You can use chatbots to make surveys interesting and conversational so that people won't find them boring or a complete waste of time. You can log user data for large businesses if you build a good chatbot to collect data using Medium. Let's take the case of your client, an event coordinator. You could implement a chatbot that asks users what kinds of events they enjoy attending and then sell that data to event planning businesses. The businesses can use that information to plan similar events in that region and encourage the greatest possible participation. To determine whether a product or business idea you have is viable, chatbots can assist you in conducting market research. 3. Use an automated chatbot to generate leads. The use of chatbots to increase lead generation is growing. Let's say you provide a chatbot for website visitors on certain pages. In that case, they are more likely to express their needs to the chatbot than to look for the item or information themselves. You can quickly obtain the phone numbers and email addresses of potential customers using a chatbot while providing them with helpful information. Once the chatbot has the lead, it can forward the data to a human worker for processing or a callback. While chatbots can't completely take the place of humans in the lead generation process, they unquestionably aid in producing high-quality leads faster and with fewer resources for your business. As a result, your website receives more qualified traffic and conversion rates increase. 2. Chatbots for e-commerce or retail sales. More than ever, online shopping is booming. Online purchases are made daily. The buying process is sped up and made more enjoyable through conversation. Using chatbot technology to automate customer management for your company is a great idea. A chatbot is used for purchases by 67% of millennials in the US. As a result, the market has a high demand for customer service. Inquiries and requests for customer service like refunds can be quickly and effectively handled with the aid of chatbots. As a result, bots are now an essential component of online shopping. A chatbot can make it easier for users to find what they're looking for. Additionally, it can assist in resolving any questions they may have prior to making a purchase. Depending on the customer's preferences and past purchases, chatbots can also suggest products. In particular, for your first-time customers, using a chatbot for your online retail store can increase sales and improve the shopping experience. Because they are a very familiar medium for customers and make the entire purchasing process easier and more intimate, chatbots are extremely popular with e-commerce stores. 1. Create and market chatbots. What if you don't own a company that can use a chatbot? What if building useful chatbots with natural conversations is your area of expertise? Sell chatbots to earn money with them. You can launch a bot business using resources and chatbot publishers. Find a platform that enables you to create fantastic chatbots. After that, you can create chatbots for companies and market them online. To grow your chatbot business, you can also assemble a group of bot developers and launch a chatbot agency. If a company wants to use chatbots as a part of their monetization strategy but does not know how to create one on their own, you can design a chatbot for any type of business, including media companies, B2B organizations, and even e-commerce sites. When businesses use a platform like Instagram for marketing, they frequently create Instagram stories that contain links to their deals and products. The responses to this story, however, are challenging to track. They can easily generate leads by using a chatbot platform to send customers down their marketing funnel, as we previously discussed. Conclusion: whether it's through affiliate marketing or advertisements, there are many ways to monetize a chatbot. The secret is to thoroughly comprehend this fantastic technology and work out how to imaginatively interact with customers to provide them with the best user experience. You will be greatly assisted in starting your chatbot business if you develop a monetization strategy that considers the user experience. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comments section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.